In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Getresponse. We'll walk through the entire process together, from starting the project to editing your page to finally publishing it live on the web. By the end, you'll have a fully functional landing page connected to your email list, ready to capture leads or promote your offer. First, log into your Getresponse account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the main navigation bar and hover over or click on the option labeled Tools. From that menu, choose Landing Pages. This is where all of your existing landing pages will live, and it's also where you'll create new ones. To start a new page, click on Create Landing Page. Getresponse gives you a few options, but to make things quick and beginner-friendly, choose Use a Ready-Made Template. This opens a gallery of professionally designed layouts that you can customize. Browse through the categories and pick a template that matches your goal, whether that's building a list, promoting a webinar, or showcasing a product. Once you've found one you like, click Use Template. You'll now be asked to enter a name for your landing page project. This name is just for your internal organization, so choose something that helps you recognize the campaign later. After you've typed it in, click Next Step to open the editor. Inside the editor, you'll see your chosen template on the main canvas and a toolbar on the right. Here, you can optionally drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, buttons, forms, and more onto the page. Take a moment to customize the content. Update headlines, change the body text, swap out images, and adjust colors or fonts so they align with your branding. Small tweaks, like clear call to action text on your button and concise benefit-driven copy, can make a big difference in conversions. When you're happy with the desktop version, click the mobile icon at the top of the editor. This switches the view so you can check how your landing page looks on phones. Make sure your text is readable, buttons are easy to tap, and nothing important is cut off. If needed, adjust spacing or font sizes in this view. Once everything looks good, click Next Step in the top right corner to move to the Publish settings. Here, you'll choose where your landing page will live. Getresponse offers a free subdomain, such as one ending in .jarweb.site. Select a subdomain that fits your brand or campaign so the link is easy to recognize and share. Next, connect the landing page to your email list by selecting the appropriate list from the drop-down menu. This ensures anyone who signs up through your form is automatically added to the right audience. When your subdomain and email list are set, click Publish. After a moment, your landing page will go live, and you'll get a shareable URL you can use in your ads, emails, or social media. That's all it takes to create and publish a landing page with Getresponse, from template to live page, in just a few steps.